Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the advantages of good customer service for your restaurant. So it's very simple. What you want is you want customers to come in and have a good time. So good customer service is part of that. And when it comes down to it, that will increase the amount of people coming back into your restaurant, and that will also increase the amount of word of mouth people come in because they've been told that the restaurant is really good. So you can do this in a couple of different ways, but the two which I find most effective are making sure that your waiting staff are really good, making sure that they're trained well and that they're very good at engaging with people. They can deal with problems very quickly in a polite and friendly manner, and that they are genuinely look like they're enjoying the job. They know how to interact with people very well, they know how to smile, and they are very attentive as well. You don't want someone saying like this on the mobile phone while people's glasses are emptying, because you're missing on those upsells. So it's really good to have someone who is very aware, and they're always like focused on what's going on around them. That's really good. And another thing that's good for customer service is find ways to optimize your kitchen. Make sure that your kitchen can run really smoothly. I know a restaurant that's got only one cooker and it can only have 6 pans on it at once. And what they do is they put the pans on in order of the tables that they're trying to serve. So basically they can get the food in and out very quickly. So boom, 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 like that. And they can do it in an orderly fashion so things are not getting confused. So finding ways to make sure that you're really well optimized, that you can run well, that you haven't got obstacles in the way that you're going to trip over. You don't want to have to dive over fridges and things like that. That would be a complete logistical nightmare. So if you make sure that you've got really fluid workflow, you're going to have good customer service. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you. Look up other ways that you can increase the customer service for your restaurant, and just work on making sure that you can be the best that you can be, because that will make sure that those people keep coming back and telling all their friends. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye.